Good morning, students. Today we will study menstrual cycle. It is the cyclic event starting from one menstruation till the next that take place during reproductive phase. Means reproductive phase started from puberty till menopause of a woman's cycle. Duration is 28 or 29 days. Sometimes it may be for 27 days also. Menstrual cycle is also seen in other primate. Ovarian cycle change in ovary, uterine cycle change in uterus, oviduct and vagina. In human female, menstruation occur in 28 or 29 days. The cycle event starting from one menstruation till the next one is called menstrual cycle. During the middle of the menstrual cycle, one ovum is released that is called ovulation. These phases of menstrual cycle include menstrual phase that is bleeding, follicular phase, ovulatory phase that is ovulation, secretory that is luteal phase. The help of diagram you can see this 1 to day 5th that is menstrual phase, 5th to 13 days is called proliferative phase, ovulatory phase is 14, it may be 15 13 nearby they may be. First we will talk about menstrual phase day 1 to 5. Menstrual flow occur due to breakdown of endometrial lining of uterus. The cycle starts with menstrual flow that is bleeding. The last for 3 to 5 days. It is due to the breakdown of endometrial lining and blood vessel of uterus that come out through vagina. Menstruation occur if the released ovum is not fertilized. You can see this diagram that is rupture endometrium and bleeding. Lack of menstruation indicate pregnancy. If menstruation stops, this indicate pregnancy, and if it may be due to some stress, poor health, and if it menstrual cycle is irregular, it is this shows the stress, poor health. Next is follicular, that is proliferative phase. It starts from 5th day after menstruation and completed within 8 to 12 days. In this phase, action of gonadotrophin, which include FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone LH from pituitary occur. FSH stimulates development of primary follicles into Graafian follicles, secretion of estrogen by Graafian follicle. The primary oocyte finishes meiosis 1 and it becomes the secondary oocyte within polar body with polar body. Endometrial wall of uterus regenerate during this phase. This is new endometrium. LH and FSH are at their peak in the middle of this cycle. Next is estrogen that stimulate proliferation of ruptured uterine endometrium and mucous lining of oviduct and vagina. Development of secondary sexual character. expression of FSH secretion, secretion of LH luteinizing hormone. Now it is ovulatory phase, that is the rupture of Graafian follicle to release ovum. This phase is called ovulatory phase. FSH and LH attain a peak level in the middle of cycle. Rapid secretion of luteinizing hormone induce rupture of Graafian follicles and thereby ovulation. Release of egg take place. Now, secretory phase, that is luteal phase. After ovulation, Graafian follicle is transformed into a yellow endocrine mass called corpus luteum. It secretes progesterone. For this duration, corpus luteum work as endocrine gland by the action of progesterone. Endometrium attains maximum vascularity, thickness, and softness. Thus, the uterus gets ready for implantation. FSH secretion is inhibited to prevent the development of secondary ovarian follicles. With the help of diagram, you can see this. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. If fertilization does not occur, corpus luteum regenerate. It causes disintegration of endometrium. It leads to next menstruation and new cycle. Menarche, that the first menstrual cycle that start during puberty, and menopause is stoppage of menstrual cycle. It is about the age of 45 to 15 between. That is change in pituitary hormone during that overall changes during the menstrual phase. Change in pituitary hormone FSH and LH. With the help of diagram, you can see at the 15 days or 14 days the level of hormones is at the peak. Here you can see this at the tip of this, that is at the peak, and see the day, that is approx to 14 days the growth, that hormone level is at the uh, most high, and this ovulation take place nearby 14 days. It may be sometime 13, 14 or 15. Change in ovarian events. Change in ovarian hormone, estrogen, progesterone level. Change in uterine event. Thank you for today.